If you've ever found yourself needing to move items from one Monday.com board to another and weren't quite sure how to do it, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of manually transferring items to another board in Monday.com so you can keep your projects organized and flowing smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to move those tasks, updates, or pulses with confidence while making sure your data stays neat and intact. So, let's jump right in. First up is manual item transfers, which are perfect when you just need to move a few things over, say you're tidying up or redistributing work on your team. You start by finding the item or items you want to move. Hover your mouse over the far left side of the items row. Here, a small checkbox should pop up. This little detail is easy to overlook, so don't worry if you don't spot it right away. Just wiggle your mouse along the left edge until you see it. Once it appears, check the box for the item you want to move. And if you need to transfer several items at once, go ahead and check multiple boxes. Monday.com lets you select more than one if you need. With your item or items selected, look for the item menu. You can get to this by right-clicking directly on what you've selected, or, if you prefer, click the 3 horizontal dots that show up when you click the checkbox. That's the universal symbol for settings or options. So anytime you're unsure, keep an eye out for those dots. Inside that menu, you'll see several choices, like archive or duplicate, but what we want right now is the Move To option. Once you click Move To, Monday.com will bring up a list of all your available boards. Take a moment here to find exactly where you want your item to go. It helps to know the name of your destination board, especially if your account has lots of boards. Here's where Monday.com shines a little. After you pick your destination board, the system will prompt you to map the columns. This step is more than just a formality. It makes sure that all the data tied to your item, like status, due dates, or owners, actually ends up in a spot that makes sense on the new board. For example, if your original board tracks deadlines in a due date column and your new board calls it deadline, you'll need to link those up. Take your time here. A careful mapping means you won't lose any critical information, and your data won't end up scrambled. Once everything's mapped the way you like, you're almost done. Just hit the Move Items button to finalize the transfer. Depending on how many items you're moving, this might take a moment. If you only moved a couple of pulses, it should be immediate. But if you selected a bunch, be patient for a few seconds. And don't worry, Monday.com will give you a confirmation once it's all done. And just like that, your selected items will be right where you need them on the new board, with all their details intact. Easy, right? Knowing how to do this manual move puts you in control, whether you're reorganizing your own workflow or helping your team stay coordinated. If this walkthrough helped you master moving items between boards in Monday.com, be sure to hit that like button and share the video with a teammate who could use a hand. Have any lingering questions or want advice for a different kind of transfer? Drop a comment below. I love helping out. And if you're after more tips and tutorials to unlock the full power of Monday.com, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.